So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to add 2.4 GHz on Spectrum router, split bands, disable steering and connect devices. So how to add 2.4 GHz on Spectrum router. Most Spectrum router already support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, but they may combine them into one Wi-Fi name called band steering. To add or enable the 2.4 GHz network, you usually need to adjust the router settings. So log into Spectrum router settings, connect your phone or computer to your Spectrum Wi-Fi, open the browser and go to this IP address 192.168.1.1. Enter the router username and password printed on the router label. This opens the router admin dashboard. This page lets you manage Wi-Fi band and network names. So enable or separate the 2.4 GHz band, go to wireless settings or Wi-Fi settings, then look for band steering or smart connect. Turn band steering off. You will now see separate option for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Disabling band steering allow you to create a separate 2.4 GHz network. So create a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, find the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi section, turn enable wireless on. Enter a network name like home Wi-Fi underscore 2.4, then set a password and click save. Your router will now broadcast a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So connect your Wi-Fi device to 2.4 GHz. Open Wi-Fi setting on your phone or device. Select the network name you created. Enter the password and connect. Devices like smart plugs, cameras and printers often require 2.4 GHz. Thank you.